Muscle building workouts at home. Most people make an excuse that they don't have time to work out, they are too lazy to spend any time on workouts. Whatever time they are left with, they want to relax, watch TV or listen to music. Here are a few excesses that may just be a solution for you. Before going into video, make sure subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. So let's get started. These can be done while listening to music or during TV commercials. Push-ups. Place the body in a face down and lift the body on both the palms and feet, keeping the body straight. Take the chest toward the floor while exhaling and push up with the power of the arm and chest muscles while inhaling. If floor push-ups are too difficult for you, start off with standing push-ups with your hand on the wall, then pushing yourself back. Repeat at least 8-10 times, increase the number of repetitions as the exercise gets easier. Push-ups affect your chest and arms the most. To affect your chest the most, do push-ups with your arms placed wide apart. Squats. Stand with legs shoulder width apart and feet pointed forward. Sit down and stand up, make sure that the knees don't lock. Don't move too far forward, try to keep your neck in line with your spine. Repeat this 20 to 25 times depending on the comfort level to start with, and then increase the number of repetitions as you get used to the exercise. The squat is the best exercise for complete leg fitness. It can do wonders to your thighs, hips and butts. For better results, squats may be done with weights. Biceps curls can be done while sitting on a chair or while standing. You need a pair of dumbbells. Hold a dumbbell in each hand. Lift the dumbbells alternatively without bending your elbows. Repeat this at least 10 times. As you get used to the exercise, you can increase the weights or the number of repetitions. Biceps curls are an effective exercise to increase your arm size. Random tip: take a break once a week to give your body some rest. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more videos.